Hey y'all, hey, it's Reese. Welcome back y'all for a quick little video. Let me say thank you to my old subscribers and welcome to my new subscribers. New subscribers, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will know every single time I come through with a new video. So with that being said, we are going to go ahead and jump right into this video. All right, so I happen to be, cruising on the YouTube streets and came across a video that Jasmine, my Jazzy Life, my Jazz Up Life, had just posted. So I go ahead on in the video and I look at it to see what it is, what it's about, and what it do. All right. Now, y'all already know I am going to give it to you straight. I am going to let you know the real. All right. So the first moments that I started to, view the actual video, I'm like, is it me? Little old Reese? It seems like she may be under the influence. I mean, Jazzy was very, very over the top happy. I mean, she was just so goofy, all right, that I had to sit back and think. I'm like, all right, so things that can make you really, really happy. Let's go through this. Was it sex? I don't know. Did she hit the lottery? Clearly not. And that was about it. They are the conclusions that I came to. All right. So I'm like, she said she basically just got out of the shower, the tub, whatever you want to call it. So I'm still looking at Jazzy out of the side eye through the whole entire video. I had to actually watch this video not once, not two, but 3 times. All right. And the third time, as they say, makes the charm. All right. So clearly, let me go ahead and break it on down to you. In that video, Jazz was clearly under the influence. All right. Now, I'm not going to go ahead and jump all the way out on the ledge and everything and say the girl was on some real drugs. But what I do know is that Jasmine, Jazzy, Jay was absolutely not that right. I don't know if she was smoking the ooh-wee, but that's what it looked like to me, that she had just rolled herself a nice little blunt. Or if she has not done that, she has just got finished smoking her a roach. All right. I am looking at the camera. The camera is looking back at me. She is going from one personality to the next personality to the next one. All right. So I happen to look. Okay. Happen to look. And I'm keep watching this and I'm like, what the fuck is going on in this whole entire video? So you mean to tell me, Jasmine, that basically you just got out the shower, the tub, whatever you want to call it, and you have just smoked the ooh-wee, and not only that, but I think you have took one drink down the old hatch. That is what I think. I mean, anybody who is in the medical field, they would know. Her face, her eyes, I mean her mannerisms, I mean the way that her body was functioning, clearly said, Jasmine, if you don't go and sit your high ass down somewhere. See, a lot of times what these people do is they do this. They think when they drink, when they smoke weed, it makes them that they have something they want to talk about, that this is going to be a great YouTube video. That's what they think. But see, in the back of the mind, way, way back there, where they can't even acknowledge it because they are deeply under the influence, it's saying, okay, Jasmine, go ahead and get on the camera, sweetheart. Go ahead and let them know why you have not been on YouTube. Let your subscribers and your trolls know that you are going to get back on it. You are going to do Veda, which she said she was going to make a video every day. All right. And I am looking at the screen. The screen is looking at me. And I'm like, Jazzy, you are definitely through. Not only are you through, but you are blowing the fuck out of me. So I imagine what you are doing to your kids. I can tell y'all the way that Jasmine looked. She immediately got out of that tub and ran to the kitchen for some sweets. You know, some cereal, cookies, candy, and all of those things. Yeah, something definitely was a little bit shaky. Now, let's not get it twisted. I began to look at, her a little bit more, and she had a really, really cute shirt on, all right? And I'm like, oh, okay, deuces, Jazzy. Okay, that's real cute. But for some reason, the whole time I was looking at this video, I just came to the conclusion that Jasmine had a fucking bow in the top of her head. I said, I said, hold the fuck up. You mean to tell me that you literally just got out the shower, put that t-shirt on, which was cute, and you decided because you were high and you are really tripping and tweaking, and you decided to put that bow at the top of your head? I gotta be honest, guys. I had to literally pause it, and I was on the floor laughing. I mean, like most of the time, I just say I'm on the floor. No, this time, I was on the floor laughing at Jasmine. I am looking at that fucking bow that was right here, and I am like, she is really tripping. I would love to know what she is actually doing over there. Is she taking an E-pill? Is she eating some mushrooms? Because whatever it is, it has got her tripping the fuck out. All right. Now, I'm going to say, I don't really have a lot to say about Jazzy. Because like I said before, Jasmine, you have been doing excellent. I mean, like, you have been cleaning the house. You have been doing the mom things that normally have to be done without a problem. But I am still wondering, are you really on depression medication, or are you smoking the ooh-wee? Or are you deciding to ingest some mushrooms, some ecstasy? It really had me thrown for a freaking loop. You were so energized in your bathroom. I was looking at the screen like, what the fuck is going on? You get what I'm saying? So I even called a couple of my colleagues to see if they actually seen this video. And they also said, I don't know what the fuck is going on, but this shit right here, this shit right here is a little crazy, and it is totally out the norm. So with that being said, Jasmine, what I am going to say to you is, Don't you ever come on this here YT, this here YouTube, when you are looking like you have just ingested about 15 to 20 blunts, as well as you have ate some weed cakes or cupcakes, anything with THC, you have drowned it. All right. So I don't have, too much to say, Jasmine, is that, try not to come on camera when you are under the influence. And with that being said, thank you to all of my old subscribers and welcome to my new subscribers. New subscribers, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will know every single time I come through with a new video. So with that being said, we are going to go ahead and jump right off this video. Later.